Hello, Glenda back from Top Notch Legal. Today I want to talk about the fact that a contractor could also be an employee for the purposes of the super scheme. Now, employers and individuals may have various reasons for categorising a person as a contractor rather than an employee. One of the main reasons is the ease with which a contractor can be terminated when their contract comes to an end, or if they breach the terms of their contract, it's quite a simple matter to terminate their services. Whereas, of course, with an employee is a different case altogether. Plus, with a contractor, they're not entitled to long service leave or holiday pay or sick leave. So that's another reason why people like to hire contractors. But they may be deemed to be an employee under the Superannuation Guarantee Act. So that act defines an employee differently from other acts. So if a person is under a contract and must personally provide the service without subcontracting it to a third party, they could be deemed to be an employee under the Superannuation Guarantee Act. Especially this is the case if the person hiring them has a lot of control over how they deliver the services. And this came out with a case a few years back involving a woman called Jackie, who was a software engineer. And she was engaged to deliver a specific piece of work. And although she even had other customers, she was deemed to be an employee under the Superannuation Guarantee Act. So it's possible for a person to be both an employee and a contractor simultaneously, but only for the purposes of the super scheme and not for other purposes such as entitlement to long service leave or holiday pay or sick leave. But the categorisation under the super scheme, it may appear artificial, mainly to ensure that super entitlements are paid, but be careful. You don't want to get caught, because if you do get caught out in this situation, it's found that this person was an employee for the purposes of the Act, you could be called upon to pay retrospective entitlements to them, plus you could be fined quite heftily. So you must make sure that you get it right. So I'm Glenda, that's it today from Top Notch Legal.